As we accelerate into 2025, mobile app performance is critical. Follow these 5 quick tips to optimize your app and elevate user satisfaction. Tip 1. Optimize your images. Compressing large images without losing quality is a simple tweak that can dramatically reduce file size and boost load speed. Tip 2. Minimize network requests. Each request your app makes takes time. By reducing the number of requests, you can improve response times and create a faster, smoother experience for users. Tip 3. Use caching wisely. Don't make users wait for the same data over and over. Cache frequently accessed content to reduce load times and keep things running smoothly. Tip 4. Optimize your code. Clean, efficient code isn't just good practice, it helps reduce lag, saves battery, and boosts overall app performance. And finally, tip 5. Test and monitor continuously. You can't improve what you don't measure. So, regular testing and performance monitoring helps spot bottlenecks early and keeps your app in shape.